Hi and welcome to Naga Masala Cooking Show. In this video, we will explain how to order Naga Masala cooking sauces online. Okay then, let's roll tape. When ordering online, first visit www.chilidirect.net. When on the home page, then click on the Chili Shop. On this page, you will see the range of cooking sauces on display. You have a choice between Mild Wild, which is medium, Hot Extreme, SOY SWEET, and Safari. Please note that the minimum order is 6 pots, and if you order 7, you get the 8th for free. There is also a description explaining this about the minimum order. Once you have placed your order, the website will take you directly through to checkout where you can add your details and place your order online. Once we receive the order, we will then send you a notification email explaining that we have received your order and it is being prepared for dispatch. Normally it takes between 24 and 48 hours before your order is dispatched. Once the order is dispatched, it is next day delivery. Once the order arrives at your doorstep, please store items in the freezer and enjoy cooking great curries with Naga Masala cooking sauces. When ordering in double figures, it's always best to take advantage of our free pot offer. So for example, when ordering 7, you get the 8th for free. When ordering 14, you get 2 for free, and so on. I have also explained in the description below how to order online. Well, that's it for now. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Until next time, ciao for now.